L is for the way you look at me.
Hey guys, this is Alik from NatureWithAlik. So happy seeing you guys around the world, and during this beautiful weekend wishing you a happy Valentine's, guys. Lots of love, lots of hugs, warm and beautiful hugs and beautiful blue sky to sending you guys to all of you around the world from beautiful California. And happy, as you saw probably one video came already in Russian with the lady came to do the interview, and first time we released in Russian my tour around dragon fruit. One more video coming from beautiful tour from Idaho State. Students came in, we were so happy. We had a good tour around the orchard. Look at how beautiful it is. And we did dragon fruit lemonade, we did the grafting classes, we did the cuttings, collect the cuttings and tasting the fruit as well. So it was amazing. Okay, and right now it's a beautiful weekend coming. Love, please purchase your plants, cuttings, whatever you would like to share with your loved one at home. And had customers stopping on the way to the weekend to their parents and grandparents and buying them gift as well. Plant is amazing gift. It will last forever. It will bring good memories, yummy and tasty memories, and definitely kids and grandkids would really appreciate it. Okay, so right now I'm sending lots of hugs and love to Florida. We love you, Florida, guys. Full support with you guys during this crazy cold and freezing condition where we lost lots of plants in our dragon fruit community. I'm so sorry to hear that, getting lots of reading postings and text messages and videos with all the plants that got frozen. So here to that condition. Okay, so right now I'm offering 20 to 40%, I would say 30% discount. People already ordered for the cuttings and plants. If it reaches $100 order, I would really appreciate it. So I'll give you a good discount, and it would be shipped to Florida residents, whatever you guys need it. I have over 50 varieties, and that would be nice to have. Plus, I'm sending to every order, I'm sending my Laverne variety cutting, and you'll be happy to have this one. It's always my first and the most beautiful and tasty variety, Laverne Red. Has a huge fruit up to 3 pounds with magenta color, and right now, as you can see, I'm planting more. So it's coupled probably 200-300 Laverne varieties cuttings getting ready to root, and we're planting more, tons of cuttings right now. Over here, the whole bucket ready for the tomorrow collection. As you can see, we're working very hard here. Containers getting ready with soil, more cuttings on this side, more containers. Believe me, guys, whatever I'm getting paid, it just goes investing and more until we get full of this 1,200 square feet of greenhouse. Was good class a couple days ago. Kids were so happy, and I'm happy as well. So just sharing. Today I went to California State Channel Island University, checking updates with the dragon fruit orchard that I'm building over there. As I promised you guys, I will donate my plants as well and help them to build. So the progress is already going on. I'm very happy with that one. So it's going to be another beautiful students community with the dragon fruits and still tons of plants. So please help me, I help you guys, and help as well continue throughout the all generations to the students and healthy lifestyle and yummy and tasty fruit. As you can see, all plants are doing great. We're trimming, we're feeding them before the rain. Rain is coming next week. It's going to be tons of rain, 3 days of rain. And this is more mature plants over here. Nitzel, Hellis Comet, Physical Graffiti, American Beauty. Still a lot to go. Sugar Dragon is a great variety as well. Laverne White, Zacatecas, still those guys who crazy about the cotton candy flavor. Please get in hold with me, Zacatecas. I see Conimar, maybe around 5 rooted plants still left over there. So I will be really happy to share it with you. So wishing you all the best, guys. with love from Southern California to all the world, and specifically for Florida, guys. We love you and we'll help you as much as possible. Please contact me, Alik 323 area code 547-1273, and you can reach me on Facebook as well. And Mark is handling all the cuttings that I shipped last week. 25 Laverne free cuttings I shipped to Florida. It's going to be distributed through all the channels over there, and very, very happy that we guys are getting all together and helping to each other. Peace, all the best, love you guys.